Hello everyone, welcome to Jet Mathematics with Milton, Ebiwari John. Today we are looking at a very interesting topic titled Indices. Before we start solving any problem or simplifying problems on indices, it's very important we understand what the term indices means. Now, indices is the plural form of the word index. Indices is the plural form of the word index. And the word index means power or exponent. Index means power or exponent. Power or exponent. So basically in indices, we'll be looking at numbers written in exponent form. Large numbers or very large numbers can be written in the form of indices, and small numbers or very small numbers can likewise be written in the form of indices. Let's look at an example. For instance, we have the number 2 raised to the power of 5. We have the number 2 raised to the power of 5. 5 is called the index number or exponent. 5 is called the index number or exponent, while 2 is called the base number. 5 is called the index or exponent, while 2 is called the base number. So we can read this as 2 raised to the power of 5. 2 raised to the power of 5. 2 raised to the power of 5. Now remember quickly, the base number can be positive or negative. Likewise, the index number can be positive or negative. I believe that is taken. So quickly, 2 raised to the power of 5 means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Now we are multiplying to 5 times. And that gives us 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, and then times 2 is 32. So this gives us 32. So 32 can be expressed in index form as 2 raised to the power of 5. Let's look at some basic examples. Simplify the following. Number 1, I will say 2 raised to the power of 4. And number 2 minus 3 raised to the power of 5. So let's see how these two can be solved. The base number here is 2, is positive. The base number here is minus 3, is negative. Let's start with number 1. 2 raised to power 4, we already know that, and this is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And that's equivalent or equal to 16. That's equal to 16. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, and then times 2 is 16. Okay? So let's see how to simplify that. I know many students do find it difficult when it comes to simplifying negative bases in index form. But let's see. Number 2 is minus 3 raised to the power of 5. So it means minus 3 multiplying itself 5 times. So we have minus 3 times minus 3 times minus 3 times minus 3 times minus 3. So this gives 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. So minus 3 times minus 3 gives us 9. Gives us 9. So we already know that minus times minus is positive. When a negative number multiplies another negative number, it turns into positive. So minus 3 times minus 3 gives us 9. Then 9 times minus 3 gives us minus 27. Minus 27. And then minus 27 times minus 3 gives us 81. 81. And then 81 times minus 3 gives us minus 243. Minus 243. So that is how you simplify numbers in index form. I believe that is taken. So quickly, before we end this video, I will leave you with some exercises to try. Okay, quickly try these ones for me. You drop your solution in the comment section. Simplify the following. Number 1, 3 raised to power 3. Number 2, minus 2 raised to power 6. Number 3, 5 raised to power 5.